everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how I make breakfast. So come on with me, guys. So I'm going to be making today some scrambled eggs. I'm going to be making them with some onion. We're going to get the cheese. We're going to cook some bacon, some toast. I'm so excited. So this video is part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, the host of Quick and Easy Meals is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor or Simply Grace Lifestyle. I also have Jean Home Decor and More and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Now for Quick and Easy Meals it's just so easy. You can either make breakfast, lunch, dinner, desserts. You can make any kind of smoothie, any kind of bulletproof coffee. You can barbecue. Guys, the sky's the limit. If you make it, upload the video, use Quick and Easy Meals hashtag, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. I would love for more people to join us as we increase this community of quick and easy meals. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll be in and out of the video. Now here you see me scrambling the eggs. We're using onions, and I am going to be using that sliced deluxe American cheese. I'm going to melt that on the top. Now the bacon was in the air fryer, so we're gonna place that on the side of the eggs. We're going to get our toast, our keto toast, and we're gonna put some butter on it. Lots of butter, guys. It's gonna come out so delicious. All right, I'm so excited. Let's head on over to the reveal. This looks so delicious. I can't wait to dig in. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.